Hi, today I'm making mushroom ravioli with a sage brown butter sauce. Sounds fancy, it is. And so, in continuing with our summer cooking from the garden, I wanted to try some additional new recipes. And this one was using portobello mushrooms with a little Parmesan cheese that you can buy in the store, and actually creating a brown butter sauce to go with it. Now, this very luxurious dish it sounds exotic, but it actually is very easy to make. You start with a medium-sized pot of water. You're going to add a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and so again, this is for the ravioli. You'll cook those for only about 4 minutes. If you cook them longer than 4 minutes, they'll begin to break down. Okay, so you cook them for 4 minutes, set them aside, and then we can begin the brown butter sauce. Very simple sauce. It's about a half a cup of butter, 2 or 3 large leaves of sage, and 1 clove of garlic. Now you're going to mince that garlic fine and begin cutting your sage into small, very small pieces. So, you can just slice them thinly. You'll melt your butter in a pan, and a brown butter sauce, you do want it to become brown. So you're going to cook the garlic, add the sage to it. It will bubble up a little bit, as you can see here. So you're just going to continue to saute the sage. The sage is going to get a little crispy, which is actually good when you're pouring it over the ravioli. And so you'll take the drained ravioli, you will pour over the brown butter sauce. It will have been like a light tan, slightly browned, not burned. And the garlic will be crispy, the sage will be crispy, and it goes over the ravioli to kind of create this very elegant looking dish. It's tasty. It's about 15 minutes, and it'll impress your company.